And now your weather with meteorologist Gino Recchia.
The normal amount of rainfall that we see in August is just under 3.4 inches, but then we look at how much we got so far today, and it was just under 2 inches. So we've seen about 2/3 of the amount of rainfall we should be seeing for the whole month in just the first 7 days. And we did also break the daily record of rainfall, which was back in 2015 of 1.24 inches. And more is on the way. We did have a very gloomy, misty Sunday after a hot and humid and sunny Saturday. Talk about a complete 180 from the weather that we had to kick off the weekend. Now, we have a cold front that has moved southward. That is why the temperatures have drastically cooled off as we have winds coming in off the lake. It's been cloudy. It's been misty, on and off sprinkles all day long. Really not the most pleasant end to the weekend, but we do have additional rainfall that's expected to develop later on this evening and move in through the overnight. Right now, it's not too much coverage in terms of the rainfall at the moment, but still, we do have a couple pockets of rain showers moving across the Badger State. There is a general thunderstorm outlook for the rest of the day today. I do expect some showers and storms to develop overnight tonight. And with the rainfall that we saw yesterday into this morning, and then with more rainfall expected tonight into tomorrow morning, the National Weather Service does still have us under a flood watch for areas along and south of Highway 29 for the expectation for another 1 to 2 inches, perhaps maybe even some locally higher totals. There is a slight risk for excessive rainfall for those areas that are under that flood watch, and actually a moderate risk for excessive rainfall over the southern part of the state, where it looks like southern Wisconsin could be seeing multiple inches of rain and could have some better conditions for flooding conditions overnight tonight. Here's what our high-res future radar product is showing. So for the next couple of hours, not a whole lot of activity, but then getting after midnight, that's when we start to see a larger cluster of showers and storms to move in here. Here we are at 2:45 in the morning. And then by the time 5 o'clock hits, that's when NBC26 Today kicks off. We will have lots of showers and thunderstorms right across the heart of the viewing area. By 7:30, most of the activity beginning to move onto Lake Michigan, but still holding on to some rain showers lingering into the mid and late morning. By the time we are all said and done, some areas will pick up between 1 to 2 inches, even some higher totals. Where you got those purple contours, that's representing between 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches of rainfall. So you add that on top of how much we've already seen, well, yeah, you're going to be dealing with some considerations of flooding. Good news is that after the morning, the skies do clear, and our skies will turn mostly clear by tomorrow night with some dry weather for the next couple of days. Tomorrow, starting off with some rain showers, but then the skies do start to clear a little bit. High temperature once again will be below average of 73 degrees. So tonight, cooling off to 60 with some scattered showers and storms expected. Northeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow we'll climb up to the lower 70s once again. Some morning showers and storms. Then during the afternoon, the skies do start to clear a little bit. Northeast winds at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Getting up to 78 on Tuesday, then not too bad, but it does turn a little humid on Wednesday. A chance of a pop-up shower or storm late Wednesday night. Afterwards, cooling off into the mid and upper 70s Thursday and Friday, right around 80 for the weekend.